Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study common expressions in English. Bury the hatchet. Sarah and Rachel are longtime friends. They had a small argument and haven't talked in a while. Hey Rachel, I've been thinking about our argument and I feel terrible about it. Same here. I miss our friendship. Sorry for everything. I don't like to fight. I'm sorry too. What do you say we grab some coffee and bury the hatchet? I would love that. Let's forget about the argument and start fresh. After all, it was my fault. I shouldn't have treated you like that. Listen, I take responsibility for what happened, but I'm just glad I have a friend who can let things go. Quiz time! What does bury the hatchet mean? To forget about the past and start fresh? To make peace with someone? To hold a grudge? To bring up an old argument? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To make peace with someone. Teaching moment. Sarah and Rachel had a disagreement and stopped talking, but they both wanted to fix their friendship. They agreed to meet up and bury the hatchet. A hatchet is a weapon. If they bury it, it goes away. Examples. After years of fighting, the two countries finally decided to bury the hatchet and make peace. I had a falling out with my best friend, but we recently buried the hatchet and now our friendship is stronger than ever. The family members had a big argument, but they all agreed to bury the hatchet and come together for the holidays. Vocabulary extras. To grab some coffee. To buy and share coffee together. To let things go. To stop being angry at someone. To move on. To leave a situation behind. To have a falling out with someone. A breakdown in communication between friends. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.